This is going to be my ground wire that I'm going to run to the front where that screw that I shot into the frame is. This goes to the white wire that would connect to the rat rod, which is also grounded to the back of the frame of the rat rod. And what I'm going to do is run through this piece of rubber tubing, and it will come back out back here, and I'll have an end that goes to each fender, each side, that will ground these tail lights and running lights, turn signals, brake lights, all of that. So my next thing is to run this underneath the trailer, and then we'll come back here and find a place to attach it after we run it through. I will unplug my soldering iron while I'm running the wire, because it doesn't make sense for it to be sitting over here hot. If I'm not using it, it wouldn't take much to scoot over and touch that with my back while I'm laying on the ground and accidentally burn a hole in my body, which is not the most, it's up there with one of the most painful things I can think of that I could do to myself, and I don't want to do that. So we'll go under and through and see where we come out. Okay. Okay, we're slowly making progress. I've got one wire attached through the plug to that battery, which runs this marker light. It also runs this tail light and the tag light there, which are kind of one and the same. I suppose what I could do, because I don't know how much the ground this little light here has, but if I touch this wire to that, we may also get it a light too. Let's see what happens here. Which one is it? There we go. We have a light there also. Let's go ahead and just stick those together, because it's all making progress here, even though I haven't finalized the ground yet. I can go ahead and tie these together for the sake of the cool look. You get a chance to see the cool look. There we are with that. I can actually go ahead and do the same thing on the other side too. Yeah, sweet. So I think I will. Okay, now I have running lights on both sides, on the back, on both sides. Oddly enough, I've lost the connection over here, so I'll need to take a look at that, but I will. So I think what I'm going to do is go ahead and solder up all the wires back here and insulate them and test them, and then I'll come back, and I might need to externally ground, or manually ground this one also, since it's gone out, but we'll look at that. Okay, I got all the lights working except that one marker light that I mentioned earlier, but I wanted to set y'all up so that you could see the turn signals work. And I have to go up front and touch a battery cable to something in order for you to see that. But what I'm going to try to do is angle the camera so that you can. I'm going to go up here and do. I'm going to manually simulate the turn signals working right here, like this. That should be blinking the left turn signal, and now I'm going to manually blink the right turn signal, and I think y'all can see that. So basically everything's working like it's supposed to once I plug it into the cars. That will all be connected to the turn signals on the car. The other thing I got to do is just go figure out why this stopped working. It's either a bulb or a ground or some kind of combination of both. So I'll cut the camera off while I pull that apart, and we'll take a look at it, and I'll be right back to you. That looks a little bit like a burned out bulb. You see how black the tip of it is? And I probably have a bulb like that sitting around here. We'll see if I can find another bulb like that, and I'll be right back. Okay, that one's fixed. So now I'm done with the lighting. All I need to do next is I'm going to put some new lug nuts on these wheels. I'm going to remount them with the plates that I got for it the other day, balance them, and I guess once I get that done, I'm going to be just about through. Mercy sakes, and then I can work on something else. Oh, the joy. Oh, the joy. All right, let's turn the lights off. And we'll call it a day. I've been out here long enough for my nose to get cold, and I'm ready to go in the house and warm up. Oh, what's blinking? Look at that. That's just because these wires are still touching. There, put y'all out. Turn the lights out. Turn out the lights. The party's over. An old country song. Yes, it is. Mercy sakes, great balls of fire. Okay then, see y'all next time. Bye.